First responders like EMTs and paramedics play a vital role in responding to requests for assistance.
Whether it's COVID-19 related or not, the men and women are taking extra precautions daily. CBS 47's Fabiola Ramirez explains.
Paramedics and EMTs, first responders, they're coming to work because they know they're needed in this community.
Whatever the emergency may be, they respond, even with the potential of coming across a patient with COVID-19.
There is fear, but our employees know that they have the gear they need to protect themselves.
Edgar Escobedo with American Ambulance says the company has had to implement changes when responding to calls. One way is by wearing personal protective equipment.
So as a paramedic, my first job, if you were the patient, was to put on my protective equipment, an N95 mask and some goggles and a splash gown and my gloves. I would go introduce myself to you, ask you to put on a mask, and then begin to assess you.
When COVID-19 is suspected in a patient, first responders are trained to notify all who may come in contact with the person, especially the health providers of where the patient is taken. After responding to a call where a patient had symptoms, the ambulance unit will be decontaminated.
We do that through all the walls and the gurney and the gear that we carry.
Escobedo says for first responders, it's all about safety, but also about dedication and the goal to help as many as possible.
Every person needs to have confidence to know that if you have an emergency, we're going to be there. And we're going to be there ready to respond and care for your loved one.
In Fresno, I'm Fabiola Ramirez reporting.